Hello friends, welcome back to Easy to Learn Tech, and thank you for watching all my previous video. And in this video I am going to do the unboxing of Paiter Europe Rechargeable grooming set, and the model is G-231, and in this pack we have 15 pieces, and they give 1 year warranty for this product. And you can see all the blades here: the T-shaped blade, shaver timer blade, nose trimmer blade, U-shaped blade, detail blade, and this all they provide inside. If you will see the accessories what they provide inside: 4-piece cutting hairs and removable price cutting head, easy to clean, shaver trimmer blade, nose trimmer blade, detail blade, U-shaped blade, T-shaped blade, 3-step adjustable blade, 7 detachable guide combs with super long life motor, worldwide voltage 100 to 240 volt, cordless and cord with both, and it contains 7 combs, 5 trimmer head, adapter, charging base, cleaning brush, blade oil. When our trimmer machine is fully charged, it will work minimum 50 minutes. 50 minutes we can use this one. And now let's open this one and let's see. Now let's check all the accessories what they provide in the Paiter Europe. Let's keep aside and I will show you one by one. This is our unit. This is the main trimmer machine, and you can see here the power input cord from where we have to charge. They have given here one small LED, and this is the on off switch, and the vibration is also less and it's lightweight. And even we can do the fine setting of different cutting lengths, and they have provided one. On the top it's 2 and on the down is 3. This is our unit, and in this they provide brush to clean all the accessories, and this is the one cutting head with small length. You can see here one cutting head here. This one is detail blade, and next one, if you will see, you can see here this is shaver trimmer blade. We can trim our body parts and our beard. And the next, if you will see, this is the nose trimmer blade. This is the nose trimmer blade with lock and all, and they provide 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 different size of combs. And here also they have provided this blade. This is U-shaped blade. It means they provide 3 different type of blades. And this is our oil, and the main special thing is that, and here also you can put your charger. Here also you can put your charger cord. Here also you can put your charger cord here, and you can keep your unit here for charging. When you put on the standby mode also it will charge here, and it will be connected here on the back side. You can connect both the way, or here, or directly on our unit. These are the all things what they provide in the box. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.